Got years of experience but feel like you're spinning your wheels? Yeah, let's get into that.
This really hits home, right? Your resume just can't capture the value you really bring.
So why does it feel like you're starting from scratch every single time? You're not alone. Well, there's a name for it. Quiet career friction. It's that feeling that something's off.
It's this disconnect. Your skills are there, but the language and perception are all wrong.
Here's the thing. While you were busy working, the whole game changed underneath you.
That straight line career path we all heard about, it's gone. Now it's this tangled, complex map.
And that's exactly why the old advice just doesn't work anymore. It's not you, it's the playbook.
This brings us to a huge mistake we're all making. We're actually solving the wrong problem.
See, it's two different problems, and trying to tackle both at once, that's why it's so exhausting.
First, there's clarity, knowing where you fit. Then there's execution, showing how you fit.
And here's the crazy part. The more experience you have, the harder it is to explain it.
So the big reframe is this. You've got to find your clarity before you start applying.
Stop reacting to job posts. Instead, get proactive and interpret what you've actually built. This is where modern tools can really help, not to write for you, but to help you strategize.
It helps you see your options, understand the competition, and really nail down your positioning.
Okay, so once you have that clarity, you can move to execution with real confidence.
But let's be real, the actual work of applying is still a total cognitive drain.
And again, technology can be your co-pilot here, turning your clear strategy into tailored applications.
It helps with tailoring resumes, adapting your tone, and even getting you ready for interviews.
So let's pull this all together. What does this new career playbook actually look like?
It's all about this partnership. Tech handles data, you handle judgment and relationships. So remember the 2 steps. First, get your clarity. Then, execute with confidence. In that order.
Look, the most powerful move isn't applying faster. It's thinking more clearly.
So ask yourself this. Is your strategy driving your job search, or is it driving you?